Hey everyone, this is Scott with CW Direct and Elkhart, RV capital of the world. I'm going to walk you through the Forest River campsite Elite 36RF today. It's a brand new fifth wheel we received. I think you'll like it a lot. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, 574-564-6673, extension 1233, or scott.barlag at campingworld.com. Thanks. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. Molded fiberglass cap, really cool LED accent lights. You have this extremely functional Kurt Helix pin box. Cushions the ride in the camper a whole lot, which translates to a cushion ride in the tow vehicle. You have a 400 watt solar panel. There's the controller back there. It has electric leveling. It has a camera already on the back. It's prepped for side view cameras. You'll notice the tinted windows keeps the rig cool and helps to prevent the fabric from fading. You have a propane tank on each side, TV in the storage compartment, and the TV slides to the side. I've never seen that before. Huge storage with rubber flooring. As you can see, cushion pin box, comes with cargo crates, outdoor TV, ultra ride suspension, I'll show you that, 400 watt solar, and pass-through basement with nice lights back here. Then the TV will slide back across. Here's a place to tie up Rover or to put a bike maybe. There's a gas grill port, water spray port. Comes with an ice maker and a little refrigerator. Outside speakers here and here. The solid step, really nice, gotta love that. Large grab handle, 36RF. Aluminum rims with tire pressure monitoring on the valve stem. There's an awning here and another awning on the body of the coach. Keep walking around. There's the backup camera right up there. There's a receiver. You can tow up to 3,000 pounds or 300 pound vertical weight. 50 amp service. Big slide in the kitchen. Here's a slide for the mid bunk. Furnace, on-demand hot water. The Nautilus Center, hooking up your water, black tank flush. Outside shower. More cargo. There's your leveling system. So you have on-demand hot water, black tank flush, water filtration, heated and enclosed underbelly. There is not a heated pad on the tank. There's another propane. And let's finish up here and go inside. Really stylish glass door, tempered glass door. And then there's a window, and it's prepped for a thin shade. Those are really easy to put in. I can even show you how to do that. This is 42 feet 9 inches and weighs just over 13,000 pounds. As soon as you walk in the door, you have storage, shoes, no carpet, dual 18,000 ACs, and USB-C charging. You have outlets, charging, control panel, thermostat, storage, true blackout shades, lot of windows, lot of light, lot of airflow. These seats are recliners and they're heated and massaged. That's a trifold sofa. You have some nice wall sconces, storage above with accent lights you'll see up by the crown molding, a ceiling fan, huge TV, and a fireplace. Feels really good on this cooler day. This is nice. Look at that. Hidden storage compartment. That'll be our little secret, you and me. Nobody else watches this. Trust me. More storage. Here is a microwave, convection air fryer. Real nice, good size oven. You have an outlet on that side and an outlet on that side. Good place for a coffee maker. Solid surface countertop, not a shrink wrap or foil. This sink is really cool. This opens and closes the drain. This changes the water flow from here to here. Here's a place to rinse silverware. This is hand soap. This is restaurant-like glass washer. And then you have a cutting board here. Workstation sink, solid surface, trash compartment. Don't have to worry about where you're going to put the trash. And drawers here. 16 cubic foot refrigerator. Safety's on up there. There you go. Very nice. Compartment up top. And it stays up. You don't have to hold it and try to reach for something. Pocket door. Sliding door going in to the mid bunk. This bed, so it has a 300-pound capacity, and it actually goes up like that. And I did that with only one hand. This opens to a trifold. That box storage ottoman collapses. Place to hang items, more storage, air conditioner vent, huge TV, could use as a workstation, more storage. Come around outside. Built-in step. Goes to the upper bunk. The upper bunk has a 120 outlet, USB, storage. That'd be great for a kid. Air conditioning up there. This window in the hallway probably gets overlooked, but that's going to add a lot of light and airflow. We come into the bathroom and there's a garbage can, vanity, porcelain toilet, hideaway station, storage, high volume exhaust fan, big shower, nice shower head, skylight, give you some extra height, place to sit down and shave your legs, more storage. This is where you control the on-demand hot water. When you walk in the bedroom, you have an outlet here, you have storage under here. This table countertop slides out. This is an RV King 66 by 80. That's just storage, blackout shade. You have a projector, because this projector is paired to this screen. Pretty cool. In this closet you have storage below. You have a place for shoes with really nice backlit area. You have HDMI in there. Closet rod. When you slide this, there's the washer dryer prep, dryer vent, outlets, clothes rod. There's extra storage in that area. 2 ACs, 18,000 BTU. And that about does it. Oh, here's a place for the pet dining spot. Almost forgot about Rover. Really neat. I've never seen anything like that. All right, folks, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. My phone number is 574-564-6673, extension 1233, scott.barlag.